Let's check back in with meteorologist Lainey Pope, Chief Meteorologist Lainey Pope, excuse me. Now, Lainey, obviously, school starts tomorrow for a lot of kids here in the Piedmont Triad. Will the weather be good for their first day of class?
Well, you're not going to need a rain jackets, which is a nice change since we've had so much stormy weather. Had some sunshine out there today. We will be a little cooler tomorrow morning, so factor that in. 57, the average morning temperature in the mountains, 64 in the Piedmont Triad. If you've stepped outdoors, you know that it is already starting to cool off tonight. As we go through the day tomorrow, it will be warm. Look for a high of 85, but not terribly humid. Mostly sunny skies. Not quite fall yet. We are 30 days away from that. That happens on September 22nd, but we are getting a nice little batch of air in here, and it's going to last for a couple of days. So less humid days ahead with some tolerable temperatures through at least Tuesday. We are also watching what has become kind of a busy season in the tropics. There's a couple things we're going to talk about. Our high temperatures out there today, 85 Winston-Salem and Greensboro. That is pretty close to normal. What is not normal is the amount of water in the air. Definitely less than what we've seen. Temperatures are in the low 60s already in Sparta, 68 in Burlington, 64 in Martinsville, and that measure of water in the atmosphere, the dew point, is down around 60, if not below 60. So we're talking about being in a pretty pleasant range for most of today and into tomorrow. You can see the cooler air that's kind of been pushing south and east into our area. That is behind this front, and it's going to be pretty quiet for Monday and Tuesday. We'll be mostly clear tonight. That front should stay to our south and east, so any showers or thunderstorms should stay east of us. Morning temps in the low 60s, our high about 86. We do have a northwest breeze. We've got lots of sun tomorrow. Also light northwesterly winds in the foothills. Afternoon high 84, comfortably warm. 78 in the mountains, also with that light west-northwest wind. Morning temperatures in the 50s. Here's what the map may look like by tomorrow evening. Do see some storminess along the coastal areas. Notice that we are nice and dry and cool Tuesday morning. Mountains, foothills, and Triad, even into Tuesday afternoon when highs are in the 70s and mid-80s. Into Wednesday, that's when we do start to notice some of this moisture coming back in the form of a few clouds, and we may even have a spotty shower or thunderstorm in our Wednesday forecast. Folks that are attending the Winston-Salem Open this weekend, you've got great weather on the front end with dry skies, that small chance of rain Wednesday, and right now it looks like the best chance for showers and storms for everyone is going to be on Thursday. It includes the mountains as well as the foothills. Storms are out in the Atlantic, not tropical yet, but areas of interest like this one that is not too far away from Bermuda, about 400 miles southeast of Bermuda, expected to stay well north and east of Bermuda as it is tracking to the north and east. It might become a short-lived tropical depression or tropical storm over the next couple of days. And then there is a wave that's going to move off the coast of Africa and may bring in about an area of low pressure, which also has the potential to maybe become a tropical depression. So those are things that we will be watching over the next several days. Here's your 7-day forecast. Rain chances seem highest right now on Thursday, but opportunities will continue into the weekend.